Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable Alt+Tab for Microsoft Edge open tabs on Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can customize your multitasking experience to suit your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button to open the Start menu. Step 2. Open the Settings app. Step 3. Click on the System option. Step 4. Now, click on Multitasking. Step 5. Under the Alt+Tab section, you will find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the Open Windows Only option. Once you have completed these steps, Microsoft Edge will no longer show open tabs in the Alt+Tab experience. And there you have it. You have successfully disabled Alt+Tab for Microsoft Edge open tabs on Windows 10. Enjoy a clutter-free multitasking experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video. Happy computing!